What's up, everybody? If things go well, this is probably going to be the last video of the year for you. How very exciting. The last thing that we are going to do is we're going to do a little data project. The rest of this week, you guys are working Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. It's going to be due Monday at normal class time. Your data project, I have a whole sheet that's also obviously on this Google Doc or in this Google Classroom assignment that really modify or kind of talks about what you're doing. But I just kind of wanted to talk you through that. So you're going to be asking people a question that has a numeric response. Some of the ones I went over with the kids in class, someone once did, how many pillows do you sleep with on your bed? What's your birth date? Like the day, date of the month. How many TVs do you have in your house? How many toppings do you like on your ice cream? What's your favorite number 0 to 100? Whatever that is. And you're going to ask 40 people, 40 or more people, and there's some stipulations on that, which I know are in the paper, so I'll let you kind of read through those. If you have any questions about those people that you have to ask, like for example, if you don't know anyone that's 10 years or younger, let me know, and I will ask my daughters your question, and I will get back to you and get there. Same thing if you guys can email teachers. You can ask me, that's fine, or anyone else. But you're going to ask those questions, and then basically what you're going to do in probably a Google Slides, I think is probably the best option. You can do it on a poster and take a picture if you want, but I'm going to guess most of you would probably think it's probably easier to do it on a slide. Make sure you include your list of data, which means all the people's names that you asked. Mr. Odie, how old were you when you got your first kiss? So Mr. Odie, I don't know, 14, whatever. Right? So you're just going to put the name of that person and then whatever their number was. You're going to then make a box and whisker plot with that data. In that box and whisker plot, make sure you include your 5-number summary. Right? So your min, max, median, Q1, Q3. All those numbers that you need to make that box and whisker plot. You're then going to make a histogram out of your data, a frequency histogram that just shows, and you can kind of pick how big you want the bars to be. Is it 5s? Is it 2s? Whatever makes sense in your set of data. You're going to calculate any outliers that you might have. Right? We talked about that in the box and whisker plot video. Take your Q3 minus your Q1, times it by 1.5, check both ends, and see if there's any numbers higher than that or lower than that. So you're going to show the work for that and then also list any outliers that you have, proving that those things are actually outliers. And then you're going to lastly calculate the standard deviation. So how far away is like one group from your mean so that 66% of the data is kind of in that range. All right, that's pretty much it. I'm planning on grading these pretty easy. You do it, you put everything into the project you need to put in there, you do it the right way, should be pretty easy. If you have questions, I'm actually out of school the next 3 days, so I won't be on Meet today. So just make sure that if you have any questions, that you email, that you send a remind, however you get a hold of me, and I will answer your questions. And that's pretty much it. It's going to be the last project. Your last test, those grades will be in. I got to put those in, the grade book, and then this project, and that's it. Pretty awesome. Next week then, once you guys turn this in on Monday, I'm really not expecting anything from you. If there's any kind of makeup stuff you need to do, that's fine. Otherwise, that's it. Have a great summer break and see y'all as freshmen, right? Pretty exciting stuff. So yeah, I expect, if I need to hear from you, let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you later.